Hey plenty friends, welcome back to another new video. So this is a video that I've been procrastinating so damn bad. I just don't want to film it and I'm really hungry. I'm craving a Southwest avocado chicken salad from Wendy's with a pineapple mango large drink. Oh, and some bacon and fries. I'm so hungry. But today I'm going to share with you my wish list plans, which to be real with you. To be real. Also, we're in the bedroom. You can see my boyfriend's stuff right there. Cute. And then it's just a mess. And the closet, it looks really bad. I really want to add like mirror doors. Is that what they're called? I think that looks so good and pretty. And then it needs plants, of course, but it's a work in progress. I think my wish list plans, it just goes on and off. I was getting a call. This is bothering me. Okay. So I don't really have a list. Like, I mean, I have some in general that I do want, but it's not like, you know, like I'm gonna save my dollars so I can like scratch it off from the list like some people do, which is perfectly fine. It's not a bad thing, but that's just not what I do. Like if I do see it, I'll be like, oh my god. So yeah, let's get started. Also, I did find out that I do have other ones that I did have in my list, and I should probably this off camera, but and then the elbow, and of course, sure. Alright, so plants that I already had, and I will add some footage in here because I do have the footage. I did got these plants. They're on my wish list, but they're dead now. So I have the variegated aluminum plant. It was one of my wish list plants for a while back, and then I gave up. I was like, I'm never gonna be able to see it. Like I rarely ever see it ever. And the ones that I do sell on Etsy is like a little bit like, you know, like edgy. Like I don't know if I don't know. But then I saw it at my local nursery and I was insanely shocked. It was like 789, something like that. And you guys, as y'all seen the footage, like it's so goddamn beautiful. Like it was beautiful. I love it so much, and I just love aluminum plant in general. It's gorgeous. But just like the original plant, like the non-variegated one, I kill them. I don't know why, but I kill them. I can never keep them happy. It is so frustrating because like I want it so bad. I want it to thrive in my hands. And one thing that I did notice is they really do not like to be underwatered. And if you know me, I underwater my plants like crazy. That's not a plant that likes to be underwatered. So unless I know I can just use some self-watering pots, and maybe down the line I will. But ahorita, like, it's not here anymore, and it was beautiful while it lasted. Next one is the real philodendron, which honestly I have it right now with me. She's a little bit beaten up and messed up and stuff like that because I have it outside. I ended up chopping it because two reasons. I wanted to make more, and then number two, it makes more. It was just one long vine, right? And because I chopped it, it has 1, 2, 3, 4 new shoots coming out of it, so it will be more of a lush bushy plant, and yeah, but it's not really that cute. She's just trying to put through, and honestly I'm gonna place it back inside. I think it has appreciated enough being outdoors, so that's on that. Okay, next one is another one that I got at my local nursery, and it's the variegated strawberry begonia. Y'all, it's such a gorgeous plant. It's pink, it's beautiful, like it's just so adorable. And I was so shocked when I saw it at my local nursery, Rebel Gardens. And it was like a small little plant, as you saw, like as you see in the clips right now. It was pretty for a really good deal and an insane find, but she dead now. I think it doesn't like tap water at all. I'm gonna show you more clips because my nose is itchy right now. I'm like scratching it right now. But honestly, like I don't get why it wasn't doing good. My boyfriend says that it doesn't like tap water, and I was giving it a lot of tap water. And I also forgot to water it one time as well, so it was dry. So yeah, then it was so like in the little tiny pots with the rest of the other tiny pots for like little terrariums. I feel like it will be a really good terrarium plant. High humidity, staying moist all the time. I feel like you'll appreciate that. But yeah, maybe like down the line I'll get it. Again, the next one is the heartleaf fern. I had it as well, and honestly they do sell in the big box stores, which is another like insane. It's such a cute little plant. I'll put some pictures if I can on the screen for y'all. It's beautiful. Like it's so stunning. I like it. It's so goddamn cute. It's so adorable. But I killed it. It's another plant that likes to stay moist. all the time, and I don't think it likes tap water. So maybe I should like build a little terrarium and put like all of these variegated aluminum plants, variegated strawberry begonia, and the heartleaf fern. I think that'd be a really cute video. I want to film a video like that, but that involves money, and I kind of want to do it with my mom. I want to do a video with my mom, like either like a repotting video or like building a little terrarium. I think that would be super duper cute. But yeah, she did. The next one that I also had on my wish list, and I already scratched it off, is the network Kalitia. I honestly do have it. It's outside right now. It's doing okay. I'm literally, it's in the heat. I mean, it's in the shade, but it's in the heat, and I water it like crazy with tap water, and surprisingly it's still there. It's putting out new leaves, and I think I want to repot it because it's on a glazed pot that has a saucer on the bottom, like glued in there. And I don't know about y'all, but I really don't like those at all. It's so, like, if you look in the bottom of it, like if you can see it inside, it looks dirty. It's not cute. I don't like it. I don't. I hate those pots. So down the line, I want to go ahead and repot it. It was on a 6-inch pot, and now it's like in a 8-inch pot, 10-inch pot, on a glazed, that kind of pot. And I want to repot it into a bigger pot because it's getting even bigger. Or I might just divide it and give one to my mom and keep the other one for myself. And there's a plan. So the next one is the elbow syngonium, another one that I did have on my list as well. And I'm honestly wearing an actual leaf. I designed this shirt. As you can see, the layout is not cute. And the company that I was working with is called Teespring, and I do not like it. It just goes away, and it says that you're not supposed to wash it in like hot water, and nor like have it in like on the dryer for like on the highest setting on heat. But I like to do that for my clothing. Like I want it to be washed with the hottest water. I know it doesn't need to be like washed with hot water to be cleaned thoroughly, but in my head I'm like, I want to wash it with hot water, and then I want it to dryer on the highest setting so it can dry faster. And it's not cute, and I'm not gonna release. I'm still wearing this just because they're kind of expensive. I had to like buy them as samples, but yeah, I have the elbow. She's super duper cute. You know, it's honestly a gift from like one of you guys. Hey Kelly, I love you, girl. She was just super duper sweet. She's like sent me one of her rooted cuttings. Well, it wasn't even a cutting, it was a rooted plant, and it was from one shoot. I think it was like a little baby one coming out of it. And now what I ended up doing, I chopped it, propagated some nodes, and as the real philodendron. I always like to do it in any plant, and I do recommend it to a lot of y'all. If you want to like cut your plants, propagate those cuttings, and then your plant will get even bushy. So instead of one shoot coming out of like one vine being on the elbow syngonium, because like this is a vining plant, the syngoniums, it's like there's like four, I think 3 or 4 new points. So it's gonna be more of a bushy, beautiful plant, and I want it to go like down. I want to see that. I rarely ever see that on syngoniums. I think I saw one long ago at a local nursery, but yeah, that's one that was on my wish list, and it's scratched off, and I still have it. Now let's get to the list of plants that it's still my wish list, and I do not have it, and I'm planning on getting them down the line. So number 1, as always, is the variegated banana plant. I'm sorry, I know some people hate it, I know some people love it. I love it. I think it's beautiful. I know that it needs a lot of like, because my grandma, she has the basic banana plants, like non-variegated, and she has it outside in full sun, and it just grows like crazy. I think she calls it in Spanish like horchata, something like that, and it's insane. It's thriving in her yard, and then she gives them to my aunt, and I think my grandma as well, my other grandma, and it's just growing like crazy here in San Antonio, Texas. And I also know there's another banana plant that it's like red blood, something like that. It's like green, but it has like the veins are like red. It's pretty cool, but I want to get the variegated one. It's kind of hard to find it. I mean, when you do find it, they're kind of pricey, like in the hundreds, and I don't think it's gonna go down. And I don't think like these big plant companies are ever gonna like, you know, make them and sell them cheap, because like, I don't know, maybe they will, I don't know, but as of now, it's gorgeous. And when I'm rich, I would like to get one so goddamn bad. And obviously, like, I'll have it outside in spring, summer, and fall, and then I'll put it inside with the grow lights. But yeah, the next one is the Hoya Vada Variegated Splash. It is so goddamn stunning. I was honestly looking at it right now. It's just so goddamn beautiful. Like, I love how it looks. I have the classic variegated. I think it's just a Hoya Vada variegated or variegata, and it's thriving. Like, it's doing so good. And I honestly took a cutting out of it, and look, I successfully propagated this plant. It's this one. It has some harder water stains, but you can see like the little splashes. There's new leaves coming in. I got a whole new free plant. That is like literally so crazy, and it was super duper easy to propagate. As well as I was taking some cuttings from my Hoya Vada, and that one's another easy plant that I was propagating as well. I'm just so glad that I'm happy that I was able to make another plant, and I think I might keep it or I might just give it away. I don't know. It just depends on the vibe. But it's so pretty. I haven't gotten it to bloom yet. I just not having a look at doing that. I noticed that when they're outside, like in the patio or the balcony, they put out flowers, which is super duper fun. But yeah, so that one is Gorgianus, and the one that I have right now. But this other one is just so, I love the center. Like, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna come in front of you guys. I don't know what it is, but it's beautiful. Like, it's so stunning. I just love the round leaves. I already love the one that I have right now, and then the fact that there's this one, and I love the shape, I love the colors, I love how it grows. It's just so goddamn gorgeous. Like, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So there's that one. Another one that is on my wishlist plants, that I have the fern leaf cactus. That one is just stunning. I think I saw it along, I think it was a fishbone cactus, but this is a fern leaf cactus. I want it so goddamn bad, and I found out that it blooms. So that would be really, really cool if I can make it bloom. Y'all, like, it's just so dramatic. Like, I can see it in my living room as a statement piece. Like, it's so unique, it's massive, but simple. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful. And then it's a cactus, so I'm guessing it's like easy care. Like, it doesn't, like, it will handle my care because I'm an underwaterer, so I feel like it'll appreciate that. Excuse me. Next one is the variegated, which is the last one. Variegated Monstera Peru. Y'all, like, they're so expensive, but maybe down the line they will have some. I know, like, I can get one in Etsy right now, but they're still really, really pricey. It's just so pretty, and I already love the texture of the classic Monstera Peru. I just love how, like, when you shine the leaves, it looks fake. It looks so perfect that it looks fake. And obviously I just love variegation. Like, I love variegated plants because, like, they're just so unique and different. It's always fun when a new leaf unfurls. Everybody says this, but it's just so true. When a new leaf unfurls, it's like a whole new, like, piece of art. I just love that so much. And oh, it honestly dropped in price. This one's 130. I think it's for a node. Okay, US seller. I love that. Yeah, it's just one little leaf. One little leaf is $130. And it's a slow growing plant as well. I know that too. It's just so pretty. I love it. I honestly love it. And there's another one that I just saw right now that it's not on my list. So I'm saying, like, I don't really have a list. I just see plants that I think they're pretty and I would love to have in my collection. It's this one. This one's called a Ficus elastica, something like that. It's a ficus, but it's variegated. I've been seeing this one a lot. Like, I've been looking at it for like a couple months already, but these, like, last month and this month, like, I'm seeing, well, this is a new month, but these past week I've been seeing it a lot, like a lot on my Instagram feed. I don't know, because Instagram, like, hears me saying it, like, that's why they show it to me, but I'm seeing it a lot, and I just love trees. I love fiddles, I love tinikis, I love ficuses. They're just so pretty. They really, really give you that jungle vibe instead of your home. Based on that one, it's kind of expensive. There's a local plant shop that's not nearby, but it's like a 2-hour-ish drive, and they have one of these, but it's like on a 4-inch pot, and I think it's like $300. So I'm hoping that maybe down the line it will drop in price, but it's pretty, it's variegated. I just love variegation. I know some people get bothered over that. Like, some people are like, why don't you love, like, the ones that are non-variegated? Those are equally as special, which is 1000%. They're all gorgeous, but I just like things that are variegated because, like, it's a new leaf and there's a plant. I believe that is basically it for today's new video. Thank you so much for joining me. I know that video was like a little bit like weird. I don't know. This is why I always procrastinate on filming this wish list videos, because they're just a mess and they're a lot to edit. But I think it's fun. I like watching other people's videos because they're actually well done, and because I just like to know, because I'm chismoso, what they have on their wish list on the plantitas, because like you can find new plants, and my list, there's just a lot of basic plants, to be honest, like the top, you know, plants that everybody knows. But hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up to let me know. So positive vibes to each and every one of you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.